Everyone loves the dot game. You can play it anywhere you have a pen and paper, or today we are making it the sweetest game of dots that you will ever play by bringing it to cake and frosting. That's right, we just used a simple box mix to make a cake and then created our dot board using frosting at even spaces across the top of the cake. Then, just like normal dot gameplay, on each person's turn they can create one line between two dots, either vertically or horizontally. And then as soon as a box is fully complete where all four sides are there, whoever put the fourth side up gets to put their initial on the inside. At the end of the game, whoever has the most initials is the winner. Or you can have some little twists where you say whichever piece has your initial on it you get to keep and eat for your dessert. Or even more fun, we went ahead and had a food fight with this. We kept a few pieces to eat, but then we took the rest outside and had a fun food fight, so whichever pieces had your initial you got to throw at the other players. A lot of them did stay intact, so we ended up just massive food fight at the end. You could pick up the big pieces once they were on the ground and not totally broken up and keep throwing them again. So super fun way to have both the game itself and the food fight or the dessert afterward. Lots of fun for your family. As a fun twist, you can also say that the first person to get 3 boxes gets a little mid-game snack. Super good, because who isn't going to want to be doing that the entire game? And because this game is so simple, you might even call it a piece of cake. If you enjoyed this, be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe for even more fun ideas and games that you can play with your family. And also be sure to check out our Instagram account. I'll put a link in the description down below to find even more fun things to do to help keep your family fed with family fun every day. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!